Hey, this is Meredith Powell. I'm here with another sales tip. And this week, I want to cover what you need to do to fix a dry pipeline fast. Now, first, I don't ever want to see you get a dry pipeline again. That would be the better position to be in. But listen, we have all been there, right? You just get crazy with work. So much going on. And then you turn around, you've taken care of all your customers, you've handled all your prospects, and you are looking at a dry pipeline. So how do you fix a dry pipeline fast? Number one, go back to your existing customers. Go back to anybody that you sold over in the last 6 months. Just reach out, check in, see where they are, see what they're doing. I guarantee you're going to pick up a couple of things. You're going to get a little business because even in 6 months, their businesses, their lives have changed. The second is you're going to get some referrals, some opportunities. And third, you'll find future business. It may not fix your dry pipeline right now, but it is going to fix your dry pipeline down the road. Number two, I want you to go back to all the business that you've lost. That's right, business that didn't sign on the dotted line with you. Go back to those prospects and just check in. See how it's going for them. Because what's going to happen there is I guarantee you at least one of them was not happy with the decision that they made. And you've got yourself visible for opportunities coming in the future. And third, reach out to referral sources. Take the shortcut. Check in with those centers of influence that you've got. See where they are. See what their clients need. And last but not least, don't ever get a dry pipeline again. No matter how busy you are, make some sales calls every single day. Keep your foot on the gas even when the pipeline is really full. So there you go. Those are the steps. Those are the strategies to fix your dry pipeline fast. I'll see you next week with another sales tip.